Hello! Today I will tell you about the best SEO tool. After testing a huge number of programs in this category, I found the best option that worked perfectly for me. I have been making over $20,000 a month with this service and I have been using it for 3 years now. It's a versatile search engine tool that helps optimize search efforts and increase website traffic and visibility. In this short video, I will reveal to you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the best SEO tools category. It's about Serpstat. I will leave the link to the official site under the video. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hello, today I'll tell you about the best SEO tool. After testing a huge number of programs in this category, I found the best option that worked perfectly for me. I have been making over $20,000 a month with this service and have been using it for 3 years now. It is a versatile search engine tool that helps optimize search efforts and increase website traffic and visibility. In this short video, I'll reveal you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the best SEO tools category. It's about Serpstat. I'll leave the link to the official site under the video. Let's not waste time and get started. Serpstat is a universal search tool used by 250,000 users worldwide to improve the performance of their internet searches. With features like keyword research, backlink analysis, rank tracking, and site auditing, you can optimize your search efforts and increase your site's traffic and visibility. Alternatively, you can use Surfstat to get an idea of your competitors' internet marketing tactics. Surfstat can be used to identify valuable keywords for SEO campaigns. This tool can be used to generate new ideas for content and improve the effectiveness of existing content. Although this tool includes all the basic functions. To find keywords using Surfstat, enter the root keyword in the search bar. The app will return a variety of related keywords as well as their keyword difficulty and search volumes. The Surfstat PPC keyword research tool allows users to use features similar to the SEO keyword research tool for their paid search campaigns. Again, while Serpstat provides a wide range of data and features, it is not as advanced as its main competitors. Serpstat helps users select the highest paying keywords by providing data such as search volume, estimated CPC, and keyword difficulty. In addition, Serpstat collects and displays the most recent search ads used by other companies for specific keywords. Serpstat's backlink analysis feature is useful for understanding your website's existing backlink profile and finding promising content ideas. The Serpstat dashboard includes basic information such as the number of backlinks, referring domains, and the percentage of backlinks that are tracked or not tracked. Serpstat also provides charts to visualize the number of referring domains and the number of new and lost backlinks over time. With Serpstat's most popular pages report, you can see the pages with the most backlinks on any website. These high-performing pages serve as the inspiration for your own backlink campaigns. Chances are, the same content that generates backlinks for other companies will work for you. Serpstat's rank tracking feature helps you measure the success of your search engine optimization efforts. You can track the position of your most valuable keywords in organic search and track your site's visibility compared to other competitors. The Serpstat rating counter has many of the same features as other search tools. This includes daily ranking data updates, the ability to track mobile and desktop rankings, and the ability to use geographic rating tracking. At the same time, Serpstat lacks some of the features found in more advanced rank tracking tools. This includes a less intuitive interface, less complex filtering, and no highlight report. All features can give you insight into your competitors' marketing strategies. For example, you can use Serpstat's keyword research tool to gain an edge over your competitors. Surfstat also offers reports that specifically analyze your competitors. These reports will help you find out who your competitors are and what keywords you are competing for. Serpstat keyword research functionality showcases the best competing websites that use the most common searches with your site. The toolbar displays common keywords, missing keywords, and relevance score. With the domain versus domain feature, You can use a Venn diagram to compare the keywords of your website against competing websites. This tool can let you discover which keywords are common and unique, alerting you or your competitors for keywords you can target. Serpstat's competitor reports are similar to those from the organic search reports described above. This tool shows you top paid search competitors sorted by the number of common keywords. Similar to the SEO domain versus domain feature described above, you can use this Venn diagram to find paid keywords your competitors are bidding on. Determining those keywords and target CPCs will enable you to make informed decisions about your own paid search campaigns. Surfstat's Audit feature improves the visibility of search results by identifying and fixing technical research issues. Site auditing provides a user experience and increases your chances of reaching the top of the search results. The site audit report identifies technical errors that affect your rankings, such as duplicate and missing title descriptions, links to redirected pages, and lack of HTTPS and meta tag implementation. In addition, Serpstat measures your website's loading speed and suggests possible improvements, including image optimization, JavaScript and CSS usage, and font readability. Most of the well-known SEO tools on the market seem to have reached a consensus on the monthly price of their basic plan, which is somewhere around $100 per month. You can always sign up for free trials, but they often have limitations that prevent you from taking full advantage of them. With Serpstat, you won't have this problem. All of their plans are competitively priced and you can choose a plan that best suits your current requirements. There is even a perpetual plan where you can do 30 searches and check 100 pages a month. Despite the changes, Serpstat continues to be one of the most affordable SEO tools on the market. While plans for other popular SEO tools usually start at $99 per month, Serpstat Lite costs $69 per month. Serpstat's customer support team is always helpful and provides resources so you can get up to speed with their tool. They even have Serpstat Academy, a free online learning center. Here you can learn more about keyword research, competitor analysis, and SEO at various levels, from basic to advanced. Check out these pages to learn more about using the product. User Guide. Here you will find detailed tutorials and step-by-step instructions for using Serpstat. Frequently asked questions. In this section, you will find answers to all frequently asked questions about Serpstat. If you have questions about a product, please read this section first before contacting customer service. How-to guides includes detailed Serpstat tutorials, how-to resources, and helpful tips. The Serpstat blog is not only helpful for improving your performance on Serpstat, but their articles will help you improve your general SEO knowledge. In addition to these resources, you can open a chat window using the chat icon on any of the pages and talk to a Serpstat expert who will answer your request in less than 5 minutes.